Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Set up outdoors on a flat, non-flammable surface at least 10 feet from structures. Choose concrete or bare soil. Wear leather gloves and safety glasses when handling rainbow sticks to prevent burns and eye irritation. Clear a 3-foot perimeter and remove flammable debris, paper, and dry leaves. Keep a bucket holding at least 2 gallons of water and a 5B, C-rated fire extinguisher within arm's reach before lighting any sticks. Ensure children and pets are at least 25 feet away, and briefly explain the plan. Hold the sticks at the base, 1 to 2 inches from the ignition tip, when lighting to maintain control and avoid burning fingers. Use a long-handled butane lighter or a 12-inch taper match to keep your hands roughly 8 inches back and reduce heat exposure. Light only 1 sticks at a time and immediately point it away from people, clothing, and flammable objects. After ignition, hold the sticks vertically or slightly angled down to avoid dropping sparks, and never run while holding a lit sticks. Douse used sticks in water for at least 30 seconds to ensure complete extinguishing and to prevent rekindling from hidden embers. Allow them to cool for a minimum of 10 minutes after soaking, then place cooled remains in a metal container. Do not use plastic or paper bags for disposal. Store unused rainbow sticks in a cool, dry place, below 100 degrees F and away from direct sunlight and heat sources. If a stick malfunctions, do not relight. Wait 15 minutes, then soak and dispose of it safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.